Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we have a fun video, and that is my fall wish list. So I don't always film one of these videos because honestly, if I want something, I'll just kind of like go out and thrift it or try my best to find it on Depop or something like that. And normally I can find it for like a reasonable price where I just buy it. And I'm not like the biggest shopaholic, which kind of seems crazy. I'm pretty good at like deciding whether things are just, you know, a random thing I want to buy and something that I'm going to wear for a really long time. I've gotten better like in the past year. These are things that I either just can't find at the thrift store right now, can't justify buying, or I'm just not sure what my size is going to be once I give birth and I'm postpartum, or I don't want to buy it for like the size I am right now. So that's that. And let's just get into the video because it's fun to talk about fall wish list things. So the first thing I actually want, which is really random, is the Brandy Melville stripe long sleeve shirt. This just feels like something I can thrift, and I just haven't found the right one at the thrift store. I really like a wider striped long sleeve shirt. I'm not really into like pinstripes, so it's more of like the rugby style, but I don't want it to have that like collar, like polo collar. I can't really find any online, like on Depop or Poshmark, and I have not been able to find any at the thrift store, so I'm thinking of buying the Brandy Melville one, but I really just can't justify it. I don't even know how much it is. Let me look real quick. So I don't want like the sweater one, I just want the t-shirt one, which it's $26, which like that's not expensive, and I'm kind of being drama that I won't just buy that. But the one t-shirt one they have right now, like they're not my favorite color combo. They have navy blue and gray, and I kind of like more of the like navy blue and dark green, or even like navy blue and red, and the rest are sweaters. And the reason I want a t-shirt and not a sweater is because I want to take it and like cut off the collar and make it a little bit of that like slouchy off the shoulder type look, which is also why I don't want to spend $26 on it, because if I'm gonna cut it, even though like I know I'm not gonna ruin it, I just don't want to spend $26. I'd rather find it at the thrift store for like $5. That's why I'm not buying that. I'm holding out. We'll see how long I last of going to the thrift, because I've had that on my fall wish list for a while now and I'm still yet to buy it. So the next thing is, just because I'm really into stripes right now, I want everything to have stripes on it, is a striped scarf. I have the like plaid scarf you guys have seen me wear 104 times, and I literally, like I said, I wear it all the time. I'm so obsessed with it, but I think stripes would be a really nice addition, also because my plaid scarf is more like a pastel colorway, and I think just having like a white and black striped scarf would be able to go with everything, and it'd be really nice to pair with other patterns like plaid. I really only wear plaid. On the lookout for a striped scarf, again, something that I just want to thrift. Thrift stores start putting out their scarves and stuff. We'll see if I can find one that I like. The next thing is something that has been trending for a little bit now, and I had thrifted one in the past and it just wasn't right, and that's a quilted cloud jacket. I do think that these are so cute in the fall, and wearing them in kind of that like hiking, camping, gorp style. They're cute, and when they're super oversized, you can just wear it over everything. Like, why would I not like that? But I'm very particular about the fit of them. I like them to be very oversized and to almost like fit like a tent. For some reason, I think it's really cute. I just don't really want to spend like $100 or even like $50 on this kind of jacket, because I do have so many jackets that if I find one at the thrift store that's the right fit, I will definitely pick it up. And I'm really not like picky on the color. I don't mind like the army green, the cream, or black, like just a neutral color. But again, I just have so many jackets, and I know the quilted jacket, like the cloud jacket, it's not super warm, so once fall's over and it's like winter, I will not be able to wear it. So that's why I just can't justify spending even like $50 on it. I'm gonna have to find one at the thrift store, and I just don't know if that's gonna happen. Okay, the next thing I want are either red stripe pants or red gingham pants. I have a pair of black gingham pants that I thrifted literally not even a month ago, and I wear them all the time. I like that they're an elastic waist and something that fit me right now under my bump, and they're something that I'm pretty sure are gonna fit after pregnancy, because again, they're just an elastic waist and you could be a bunch of different sizes and still fit into them. So I'm really into red, so I think a red gingham pair, a red stripe pair. There's this like red stripe pair that everyone and their mother has basically seen on Pinterest, and I love them so much, but they're like sold out. You can't find them anywhere because they were like a limited drop. And I really haven't found any other like red stripe pants that live up to that, but I did find a pair of gingham red pants on, it's called W Concept. They're like $100 though, so again, I couldn't justify it. So this is actually something that I ended up buying because I found a pair on Poshmark. They're just red gingham pajama pants, and they do look a little bit more pajama pantsy than like my black gingham ones because these red ones have a drawstring and my black ones don't. I would wear it with like a baggier sweater or crew neck or t-shirt that would cover the drawstring, so I think it's fine. And I think I paid like 25 bucks for them, honestly, which was like stupid, but I haven't been able to find a pair of red gingham pants, and I know I'm gonna wear them all the time. So the next thing I'm very obsessed with, and I think I only like it because of my belly right now, which is why I don't want to buy it, is the Orson Iris knit set. I think that this set is so cute. My friend Amanda and I go back and forth talking about it all the time. Before, I wasn't super into it because it is like a tighter fitting matching set, and that's just not something that I really like to wear without a belly. But with a belly, I think it's really cute to wear something like this. I think my belly is past the size, like fitting into it and then having it to fit after, you know what I mean? Like I probably could have worn it at like 6 or 7 months, but now at like 8, 9 months, I'm a little past buttoning those things up. Honestly, anything with buttons on the front, like I just know they're gonna pull and look wacky with my pregnant belly. It's kind of off the table. I think that a knit set, like any knit set, and I found a few on Nasty Gal, funny enough, that were pretty cute, and I might pick them up just because I don't have a lot of clothes that fit me right now with my bigger belly, and it's actually really hard to get dressed every morning right now. That's why I haven't been doing like any outfit videos, because honestly, like I am struggling a lot with how to style my belly. The Orson Iris one is my favorite, and if I was to buy one and like no, I'm not just gonna wear it for pregnancy, it'd probably be that one. But the Nasty Gal ones, I'm thinking of picking up in like a bigger size to wear now, just because it's getting colder and I literally don't have stuff to wear. Like finding pants right now is so hard. So I think a knit set would be really, really cute, pregnant or not. And the last thing, I talked about this in one of my thrifting videos that I was kind of looking for it. I really want a low-rise maxi skirt, but I want it to like be a maxi skirt. I don't want it to be a midi skirt. I want it to like hit at my ankles. And there's this one on Lioness. It's really, really cute. It's literally perfect, like satin, low-waisted maxi skirt. It comes in like black and cream, maybe a few other colors. And like I want it, but I have no idea what size I'm gonna be because I don't think it has stretch, so I don't think I could buy a size now and wear it postpartum. I would have to buy 2, which I'm not gonna do, and we'll just kind of wait and see what happens. It's so funny because it's literally like the return of like the long maxi skirt. Like we used to wear the long like noodle looking maxi skirt in high school all the time. Like if you were going out for like your friend's birthday dinner, everybody would be wearing like the long maxi skirt and a little like t-shirt crop top, which is just so funny to me that I really didn't like them that time around, but the satin version is really cute. Before, when it was in like a yoga pant version, like the old yoga pant type of like fold over top, like that was so bad, but now they're cute in like a satin, just like more dressed up version. I'm gonna pair mine with gladiator sandals and a tribal print short sleeve crop top. Just kidding. But yeah, that's all that's on my fall wish list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely very short. If you can't tell, I'm very out of breath and tired, so I'm sorry if my videos are a little bit lackluster recently. We're coming to the end of this pregnancy and it is kicking my arse. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support just with me through these times. And I love you guys. Have some and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.